Welcome to Life of Cholo. So anyways, Gustavo Adolfo here. All jokes aside, this is my new vlog playlist called Life of Cholo. I'm going to consolidate all of the stupid shit that I do into one YouTube vlog playlist thing, okay? So for those who don't know me, my name is Gustavo Adolfo Uribe, and I do music, hip hop music, and I learned how to do music videos, and I had a Cuisine Cholo cooking show, and the record label was called Chateau Cholo, and it was a vision just to have a platform to do cool shit, whatever. So anyways, the point is this. Why am I making this video? I'm going to tell you right now. Life of Cholo. It's because I saw the light, bro. I saw the light, and that's why I'm going to start doing vlogs again. And my problem was I had too much pots in the kitchen, bro. Too many pots in the kitchen, and I was always broke, so I was like, and so to put my money into my projects, to put my time into my projects, and quite frankly, what I'm saying, as much as I love music, right now it's not a big enough audience to where I can do something with it, pay my bills. I'm still working 9 to 5, but I saw the light, and the light was taking the Internet Jet Set course by John Cristani. And I'm going to tell you why. Who is this guy? He's the bearded guy on the YouTube commercials. He's like, yeah, I'm John Cristani and I'm rich. And he's on a helicopter and he's skiing, and he's in a Lambo in Las Vegas, and he's got this crazy beard or whatever. And I took his course, bro, and I didn't trust him at first because he sounded like everybody else. And I wanted to study online marketing and affiliate marketing so I could supplement my income to do more of my projects, because they're getting more and more expensive, So anyways, some of the courses were like $700, but his was $47. So there it is, and it recurs. But you can stop it before it recurs, because he has weekly webinars, which is pretty cool. But basically, what sold me on him was I saw him on the Project Life Mastery. The guy with the bald Canadian guy. He has a YouTube channel, and he's pretty good. He's got an Amazon FBA type angle, but a lot of really interesting stuff. And he interviewed John Cristani, so I'm like, all right, let me check this guy out, right? And what I liked about it is that he did talk about, he teaches his students like storytelling and focusing on one thing, something free platform like YouTube, Facebook page, or blogging. I'm just growing it, and I'm like, all right, well, that sounds pretty good. But he talked about this thing called shiny object syndrome, which is the problem is that a lot of people do too much and they don't focus on one thing consistently, right? So that sounded like me, right? And knowing myself, I go through the course, blah 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 blah, and I start a Facebook page and a blog and blah 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 blah, and I realized that I'm gonna quit the blog, the posts and all that shit, and I realized it's not for me. It's not for me. So did I make any money thus far on the course? No. I've only had it for a bit, but what I got from it was clarity. And that's what I needed to move on my path, was a clarity and a laser vision, right? That's what I lacked. It's like, and what I learned from watching the webinars that he had with other people, as some of them had shiny object syndrome as well, and I was like, no, I don't have that shit. I'm focused. Fuck that shit. I'm good. But then I realized this morning that's why I'm starting this vlog, because I had shiny object syndrome, and I didn't want to face it. I don't want to hear it, bro. And now that this vlog is my first step into consolidating all the stuff that I do into one voice, one channel. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna grow that and just like keep doing that. You know what I'm saying? So, and I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders, and I feel like I don't have to be like, a sleazy salesman guy. Not that, I'm not dissing salespeople, but I don't have to find a way to make money just to make money. I could do what I'm already love to do, what I want to do, and just grow that as a platform, to take advantage of all the opportunities that are out there. And he has techniques that he does, like with the the links and all that shit. You learn all the details, so you could just do recommendations here and there, and that is what can bring in the dough. But you don't have to do a specific strategy. Like, you don't have to start an Amazon store or a Shopify store. Like, some people, that is what they want to do, and that is their path. But to know what works for you, that's why this course is helpful, because he shows you a lot of stuff, and he has other people that show you their views really in depth, and you could try it. You know what I'm saying? And then when it all condenses and simmers down, you realize, oh shit, like, I can just do what I've always wanted to do. Just fine tune it, let go of the stuff that doesn't need to be there, and I can just laser that shit. So anyways, that's what I got out of the course thus far, and this is, a testimonial to that, a shout out, a thank you, sir, tip of my pipe. And yeah, if you want to see more of my journey, more music stuff, I got crazy ass music videos, like more random shit, Gustavo Adolfo on YouTube. This vlogging playlist is called Life of Cholo. Alright, so let's get this money, people. Work.